Man, guys, I need to get into it, you understand? It was at this point that I knew ukuthi no man. Actually, be mistake. Le nto bendiyenza last night, I was not supposed to be doing. But this is not the reason why we're here. Check me later. Like it's been a minute. Greetings, Suzanne. Okay, on a serious note, hi, greetings. Welcome to another episode of your favorite Xhosa Hinds. Good morning. Many greetings. I hope you're right. It is a Saturday. Good November 9. We are vlogging. We're doing the things that needs to be done that makes the pounds because galigi. Do you know what, baby? It's us them Swiss. It's been a minute. Yes, when it's skin glow like in their glow, like in the crust, but in their glow. But I mind. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below. For the people that have been supporting me till this point, you know I think and it's hands and getting right to like from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Asmonge. On this vlog, without wasting any time, because you landed, I am in the car with my hubby, obviously, and I am with Lorna. She's a makeup artist, and my makeup artist for the day. So today, on this vlog, didn't talk behind the scenes. We're doing a photo shoot. It's a beach photo shoot, and because of a cute, because of a sexy, because of a hointy, that don't see a pulse. I can better up because I love fast. I can glow. So I can see kind of. But yeah, here goes nothing. I hope you guys enjoy. Check out as the traffic comes. It's gonna be a good day. Enjoy. Bye. Please do subscribe, like, and share. What is up, baby?
Hello.
Jen.
I'm good. And you?
Will you vlog?
No.
You are appreciating the peace.
The silence.
The silence. Well, see, babe, you're bigger and bigger, you know. I know it's been a minute, but yeah, man. I hope you guys are going to love everything because Nia's tired. Are you? Bye. I was thinking to like in my head, but I couldn't do you remember. Good morning. Ooh, we are vlogging.
Hey, morning. Hey, how are you? I'm good, thanks, and yourself.
Good,
the weather is a bit pretty on this side.
It is.
So
I was actually super worried because I was like, oh my god, it's so windy.
Yeah, no, but it seems more windy that side. But
Yeah.
Going around the bend is going to be
Much better.
Yeah.
Masamene guys, we are going around the bend because kaloku windy. But also because there'll be some beautiful views, you know. We're thinking point end wise, edgy, creative tontons. So yeah, let's go. I was just saying, like, guys, it's windy out here. But we gotta do what we gotta do. What are you gonna do? Now it's okay, guys. A final look. Eva, ayo face beat mdasekhaya ligubu. You and DJ. Oh, you guys are looking good. It's the views for me. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at that. Guys, my house is gonna be here. Because yeah, well, I belong in this view. Yeah, so I belong in. Oh, we're still gonna walk.
This is Manor DJ Pasta.
We're here. Nanga-ke umyeni wam taking over as a cameraman. Mna no Lorna getting ready basishutile content for nini. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Please like, subscribe, share and comment down below.
Yeah. Yeah. I go beast on them niggas for the quarter meal. Fuck that loyalty, fuck that offer peace. When it feel like doing the right thing, niggas snitch. Nigga die for reputation, never run the streets.
Need a quarter meal, spending on some beach. All my fucking niggas, yeah, we keep it real. I just need some ice on my fucking neck. Rolling with a coupe, with a fucking cat. Yeah, I just wanna cash just to die, you know. I just need a guap just to flex, you know. Got my own drip, Perry chain is on. By the shooting niggas killed, by the robbing the mo.
I go beast on them niggas for the quarter meal. Fuck that loyalty, fuck that offer peace. When it feel like doing the right thing, niggas snitch. Nigga die for reputation, never run the streets.
Yeah, she down for my dick. I had to call the firefighters, call my niggas leave. Between her leg and her cake and she gave me a piece. Sorry to tell my nigga, but she told me she your bitch. I had to hit it, I had to stick it in. Liziteng dream so girl I'm a real G. So butet dala ngazo I'm politics. So look on active but my nigga I'm trying to dig.
I go beast on them niggas for the quarter meal. Fuck that loyalty, fuck that off a piece. When it feel like doing the right thing, nigga snitch. Nigga die for reputation, never run the streets.
I'm chill with the gang. Niggas outside they bread with the fam. I don't know now with the gang. Niggas outside with the bread with the gang. I don't know now. We better chill with the gang now. But a nigga be back at the nigga that's so sexy. I'm faking the hate. I been get it. Yeah, nigga they broke I get it. I been smoshing too hard. Yeah, nigga the faster. Nigga be smart when I get it. I been getting too piper. How the niggas outside they vapor. I'm a sick on the culture patcher. Yeah, a nigga they drop out the butter. Yeah, me no sign until no time. The lock up and get inside it. What it hot, but like I get it. That's figure you getting the fees. And niggas outside they must pay the fees. Nigga they drop out and getting hot. Laser squad is a better squad. Yeah, niggas on what I'm betting it. Every time what I'm getting it while I'm getting
I
it.
go east on them niggas for the quarter meal. Fuck that loyalty, fuck that off a piece. When it feel like doing the right thing, nigga snitch. Nigga die for reputation, never run the streets. I go east on them niggas for the quarter meal. Fuck that loyalty, fuck that off a piece. When it feel like doing the right thing, nigga snitch. Nigga die for reputation, never run the streets. I go
It's a wrap, guys. It's like a wrap. We're out of here. Getting cold. Just got out the water. Looking crusty like I came in. But this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed that content. You guys didn't see a lot of parts. Not a lot, but a couple of parts, which you will be seeing on my Instagram. So just follow me on Instagram at Mqikela. I'll drop it down below. Thank you guys for doing the things that needs to be done. Thank you to my team. I love you.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, share,
And comment down below.